Hello there. This is the first introduction video for the playlist, Python Challenges. In this playlist, we're going to solve together some programming problems using Python. Each video will contain 5 parts. Those parts are explanation. In this part, I'm going to explain what's the problem we're trying to solve in details. Algorithm. In this part, we're going to work through the algorithm we will use to solve the problem. Implementation. In this part, we're going to translate our algorithm into Python code. Heroes. This part contains the names and solution for the problem that you guys have written in the comment section below. Next challenge. This part will contain the next challenge we're going to solve in the next video in the playlist, so don't forget to solve it on your own first, then see the solution in the next video. At the end of this introduction, let's see our first challenge we're going to solve in the next video. Don't forget to give it a try and share your solution in the comment section below. Make a function sum that takes a positive integer n as a parameter and returns the sum of all non-negative integers up to n. You can pause the video to fully understand the problem. Here is some examples to make it more clear. At the end of this introduction, don't forget to comment below your approach to this problem. And if you are interested in this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like below. And as always, thanks for watching.